Video presented to you by Unique to Brilliance. Please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Ant is a small creature. Human can learn much from them. This video gives 7 life lessons we can learn from ant. 1. Persistence. Put your finger in the way of ants. They will not stop there. They will find a way around it. They never quit when obstacles come in their way. Instead finds way around the obstacles. So never give up or stop when problems or obstacles come in your way. Try to get a way around it. Find solution. Try until you succeed. 2. Think ahead and plan. Ants are great planners. They always store enough food in their colony. They know good time won't last forever. Bad time can come, so preparing for it. It is important to prepare and plan for adverse situations in life. In the same way, remember that bad times also don't last forever. So don't lose your hope during bad time. 3. Nothing is impossible. You know, ants can lift objects that are big and very heavy than their weight. They never think that it is impossible to lift them, rather take pleasure in lifting them to their colony. Think positively. Take effort. Have pleasure in doing things. There is nothing impossible in life. 4. Well organized and disciplined. Ants are self-organized creatures. They move in order. They have well organized structure in their colony. Be an organized and disciplined person in life. This will help you to understand more and become a successful person in life. 5. Teamwork. Ants are known for their teamwork. They work as a team to achieve the task. They know the importance of working together. If they found any food, they share the information and work collectively as a team to move it to their colony. Working together is important. Man is a social animal. Work together as a team to achieve the task. 6. Have a purpose or aim. Ants know their task and try their best to accomplish it. They do their part in it with all possible way. They don't worry about how much others done while doing their work. Understand the purpose. Have an aim. Try to accomplish it with all possible ways. Successful persons do that. 7. Tireless, hardworking and active. Ants keep themselves always busy. They work hard tirelessly to accomplish the task. Work hard for achieving the target. Aim high, be active and work tirelessly. Success is yours. Thank you for watching this video. Learn from nature. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. Also, please like and share this video.